today my topic of what I want to talk about is why you probably need an attorney if you're going to do overages. So a lot of people ask me, do I utilize attorneys when I'm collecting overages? And my answer to that is no. However, if you are in particular counties, I don't have a list of all of them offhand, but I do offer in my course the different lists of the tax deed third party friendly counties. But in some counties they do require you to have an attorney, and it's quite interesting if you are not familiar or if you really don't know contracts. You could kind of get around in some counties without having an attorney, but some counties do require you to have an attorney. In my personal opinion, I just try to stay away from them because they require a lot of paperwork, and quite frankly, I don't like the fact that if I was to do all the legwork, and just because someone's an attorney, they put it on their letterhead that, you know, they get a cut of all the work that I do. So I do want you to know that in certain counties, you do not need to have an attorney, and you can collect these overages on your own. I do highly suggest, you know, in some of the counties, you know, you do a POA just depending upon what their strategy, not I don't want to say strategy, but what their requirements are. So it just really depends on the county that you're working in, whether you need an attorney or not. Now, I've tried to partner and talk to a few attorneys just to kind of like see what their strategy is. I did have a student that joined one of my cohorts, and he said he worked with an attorney, and I think he got like 10 or 20%, but he did all the work. So I say that all to say it just really depends. I will say this, the advantages of working with an attorney, sometimes they can help you skip trace. However, I've found that some of the skip tracer, well, I want to say some of the skip tracers, the ones that I've found personally, I did them myself, but there are a few places where you can actually hire a skip tracer, but I know attorneys have direct access, so that may be one of the benefits. So they have a way of finding the numbers for you, probably a lot easier. But like if I tell people my course, how you scale the overage business is hiring out, like hiring your skip tracer. But the thing is, you have to know if they're a good skip tracer or not. I do tell people to go to Fiverr. There are a few places that I would recommend. So it just really depends on how much work that attorney is going to do for you if you do consider an attorney. But I wanted to just kind of let you know, I'm here to tell you that you don't need an attorney to collect overages in certain counties, and there's like 3,006 counties. So out of all of those, not all of those counties require attorneys. I do have to say that they have kind of, I wouldn't say but some states and counties are getting a little bit stricter. But like I said, there's 3,000 counties in the US. I think it's like 3,006. Don't quote me, but I know it's 3,000 something. So I said that all to say I've worked a few counties and they work. And one of the things that I do like to teach in my course is the list that I've provided for you. I've worked those counties, so I know that you can collect third party, but it's only like, I don't want to say a few because a little bit more than a few, but there's tons of counties out there to collect overages without attorneys. So this is a short video. I just want to conclude and say that no, you do not need an attorney to collect overages. I'm here to tell you, I have personally collected overages all on my little own self without an attorney. So just wanted to give that video and let you know that you do not need an attorney to collect overages. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe and make comments of something that you would want to hear or for me to talk about in regards to overages.